The MIGBLOOM 200A welding machine stands out with its large color digital screen that provides a clear visual of welding functions and real-time data, enhancing the precision and experience of welding. This machine is incredibly versatile, offering multiple functions such as flux-cored MIG, gas MIG, stick, lift TIG, and spool gun, making it suitable for a wide range of applications from home repairs to construction site tasks. With its intelligent synergic control system, the MIGBLOOM 200A automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed according to material and thickness, delivering optimized results and making it user-friendly for beginners. The machine boasts a powerful output of up to 200 amperes, which allows it to efficiently tackle most daily welding jobs. And it is equipped with numerous safety features, including overcurrent and overvoltage protection. Its inductive regulation and inch feed functions simplify weld preparation and maintenance, enhancing operational safety and optimizing weld quality with precise arc control. Overall, the MIGBLOOM 200A welding machine is designed to improve welding efficiency and quality across diverse applications, making it a valuable tool for both professionals and hobbyists.